Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I'd like to share with you my upcoming online card class for August 2025. To sign up for this class, please use the Google form, and I'll link it up here in the top right-hand corner. Or you can visit my blog for more information. The link is below in the description box. In this class, we will be creating 5 beautiful fun-fold handmade cards with only paper. No stamps or ink needed. This class is perfect for all level card makers who want to learn some fun fold designs. You will only need 5 products for this class. I supply most of the product we will be using in the class kit. Make sure to look at the supply list later in this video for the product you will need to have. Now let's take a look at these beautiful cards. Here are the cards we will be creating for this card class. In this class, we will be using the Florals in Bloom Designer Series paper to bring color and life to each card. There are 3 different fun fold designs we will be playing with. We will be doing a lot of fussy cutting to pull out the wonderful flowers from the DSP for our cards. I have some great tips to getting the most out of your DSP to share in this class, so don't miss it. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock refill kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. Get the details on my blog. I am so excited to make these cards with you. I can hardly wait. I hope you decide to join me. It will be an amazing class. This class will run from Monday, August 18th through Friday, August 22nd. We will meet each day during the week to create one of the 5 cards. This class is open to everyone, customers and demonstrators. Participants can join me live at 10 a.m. Mountain Time for the sessions during the week or can watch the replay videos at their leisure. The class fee is $35. You can register through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the direct link is in the description below. Registration for this class closes on Sunday, August 3rd, so sign up as soon as possible to reserve your spot. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. This kit is only available to participants in the United States. If you live outside of the US, you can choose the tutorial-only option. This kit will include cardstock, Cardbases, and envelopes for 5 fun fold cards. No pre-cut shapes will be included. 6 6x6 Florals in Bloom Designer Series paper. 1 sheet of greetings from the Saying Something Mix and Match Ephemera pack. A full pack of 2025-2027 in color pearls, and a full roll of pretty in pink ribbon. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock refill kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. It includes all the cardstock, DSP, sheet of greetings, and envelopes to make another set of cards. It does not include the ribbon or pearls. You will have enough of these items left over to make more cards. You can purchase as many of either kits as you would like. Get the details on my blog. Please note that I reserve the right to switch products based on availability. Substituted products will be of similar value and keep the integrity of the design. All of my online classes are live and you can watch them through a private Facebook group or with a private YouTube link. We will have 5 live sessions scheduled at 10 a.m. Mountain Time each day during the week. In each session, I will walk you through how to make the card for that day and show you the techniques needed. If you are able to join me live, you can also ask questions and get personal help. These video sessions will be recorded and will be available for you to watch anytime. I will also be providing written PDFs with step-by-step instructions for each project to everyone. If you cannot join me live, you can choose to have the private video link and the written PDFs sent to your email so you can complete the projects at a different time. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in your class kit. These items are listed in the class details on my blog. If you need to purchase any of these items, please purchase them through my online store. You can find the link in the description below. You will need a paper trimmer with both a cutting and scoring blade, a embossing folder. I'm going to be using the Forever Plaid embossing folder. You will also want some floral dies. I love the Impressions A Bloom dies, and they're perfect for these projects. And a good pair of paper snips for all the fussy cutting we'll be doing. And the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine so that you can use both the embossing folder and the dies. Here are the tools and adhesives you will need. You will want your Take a Pick tool, ribbon scissors, Simply Chamois, bone folder, adhesive sheets, mini Stampin' Dimensionals as well as regular Stampin' Dimensionals, Stampin' Seal if you want to use it, tear and tape adhesives, multi-purpose liquid glue, mini glue dots. I am so excited for this class and hope you decide to join me. Sign up today through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the links are in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.